Hey, Adam with Parts Express here at the 2011 Midwest Audio Fest. I'm here at the Auto Sound Challenge, and you can see got quite a few people out here, and there's a lot of rumbling going on. So let's take a look and see what's going on. I'm here with Brian Stevens, and he is helping run the Auto Sound Challenge. Brian, what's happening?
Well, they're doing the sound off challenges right now, which is 30 seconds apiece per car, and we're going to go around each vehicle, and we're going to let the public vote, and with the car with the highest number of votes wins.
What do you got here?
I got the all Rockford system, 3 audio pipe amplifiers.
With 8 Alphasonics.
I got an RE-XXX18 powered by Sundown Audio 3000D.
New Bravik 6.5s.
12 Pioneer Premier 10-inch Championship Series subwoofers.
I'm here with Josh Darnell, the winner of the 2011 Auto Sound Challenge. How do you feel?
Great.
Tell us a little bit about why you won.
2 18s, man. That's all I could say.
Well, things are starting to quiet down here at the 2011 Auto Sound Challenge. Had some great competition, had some loud competition, and we're hoping to see your cars here next year.